Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're going to act fast. First, verify that Find My is already enabled so you can locate the iPhone XR. Using another iPhone, iPad, or a computer, sign into iCloud. With your Apple ID, this authenticates you to view device location. Once signed in, select the iPhone XR and immediately enable Lost Mode to lock it and show a contact number on screen. This prevents access to personal data while allowing someone nearby to call you. Now focus on the how. Check the map for a live or last known location, and note when the position was recorded because timing matters. If the ping shows nearby, tap play sound to help you find it. Otherwise, choose directions to navigate safely to that spot. If the location is in an unfamiliar or potentially dangerous area, make sure to avoid confrontation and contact local law enforcement. Give them the device location and serial number so they can assist. Finally, decide whether you'll recover it or secure your data. If you retrieve the iPhone XR, turn off Lost Mode and change your Apple ID password to be safe. If recovery seems impossible, use Erase iPhone to wipe personal data. Remember, this is permanent and prevents further tracking. If the device shows offline, check the last seen timestamp and enable Notify when found so you'll get an alert when it reconnects, which often solves cases where the phone was simply out of.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.